In this video, I'll show you how to sign out of Netflix on all devices. First thing you need to do is open a web browser of your choice and go to netflix.com. Sign in and then hover your mouse over the top right and the drop down menu will appear, and go down to account and click account. Wait till it loads, and on the left scroll down or hover your mouse over to devices and click devices. And then look for access and devices. Manage sign in devices and click that. Now, here is my current device, PC Chrome web browser. I've also got iPhone Safari web browser, mobile browser, Apple iPhone 13 mini, and PC Chrome web browser. Now, you've got the drop down arrow. I'm going to click it. And not everything show, but we've got a sign out and we're going to click sign out. The device PC Chrome web browser is now signed out. Now, if you want to do with everything, you can just scroll down or click down to this bit here. Go to sign out of all devices and click it. Sign out of all devices. Are you sure you want to sign out of this Netflix account on all devices? If you have a second thought, you don't want to do it anymore, click cancel or click sign out, which I'm going to do to show you what it's like. And there you go. You have been signed out of all your devices. And that is how you sign out of Netflix on all devices. If you found this video helpful, I'd be grateful if you could leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and maybe turn on the notification bell to be informed when another tech video is live. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.